Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you, is Globe Life Insurance worth it? But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, in this case, you might be wondering if Globe Life Insurance is going to be something that you may want to get or not. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So let's start with the good news first. So if you look at the bright side here, Globe Life has severely highly attractive features. So especially if you are looking for convenience. Now, for starters, their financial foundation is rock solid. So they hold a steady A excellent rating from AM Best and have a massive business footprint with millions of policy holders, meaning you can trust their long-term stability to actually pay out claims. Now, another major selling point here is their incredibly lenient application process. Now, Globe Life heavily specializes in simplified underwriting, allowing you to completely skip the hassle of a medical exam or doctor's physical. So, this low barrier to entry makes it incredibly fast option to get approved, and it provides a great alternative for individuals with pre-existing health issues or a higher body mass index who might get rejected by traditional carriers. Plus, their promotional $1 first month rate is their cheap way to get coverage active instantly. Now, their specialized children's Hope Lifeline are highly rated and build reliable cash value over time. Now, there are some drawbacks here that you may want to keep in mind. Now, once you look past those initial perks, a few major negatives quickly actually pops up here. The biggest trap involves their heavily marketed adult term policies. Now, unlike true permanent burial insurance here, Life's premium rates are structured as step rates, meaning your monthly bill automatically spike every 5 years as you enter a new age bracket. Now, this can cause the cost to double or triple exactly when you are older and trying to manage a tight fixed retirement income. Now, though these term policies feature a hard expiration age and completely self-destruct when you turn 90 years old. Now, if you buy a policy expecting you to take care of your eventual funeral here, you face a very real danger of outliving your coverage entirely, leaving your family with absolutely nothing after decades of paying into the system. Because of these sudden price jumps here and confusing fine print here, so Globe Life consistently triggers a higher than average complaint index with insurance regulators, with many policyholders feeling completely blindsided by the skyrocketing costs here. But then again, that's how they are structured. It depends on someone if that actually works for them. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.